Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a RIA money transfer promo code. Let's get into it. First, start your transfer. The first step is to get onto the right page so the system knows you are ready to move some cash. You need to use the main menu to find the right starting point. Go to the main RIA website and click on Send Money from the top navigation in the RIA site. Wait for the page to change so you can see the boxes where you put in your transfer details. You have to click this specific button so the site opens up the tools you need. Without this step, you would just be looking at the home page and wouldn't be able to see where the money goes or where to put your code. Next, find a good savings code. You need to go out and find a secret word or code that will lower the price of your transfer. Open a new tab and get your promo code, for example, in CouponFeed. Look for big deals where you can find such as 15% discount on your next money transfer with RIA promo code. Save $30 off money transfer and free $100 Amazon gift card at RIA with coupon code, and so on. It ensures you aren't paying the full price when you don't have to. By checking a site like CouponFeed, you can find the very best deals. It allows you to pick the code that gives you the biggest reward, whether that is a lower fee or a special gift card. Next, set up your money amount. Now that you have your code ready, you need to tell the system how much cash you are planning to send. Go back to the RIA page before proceeding to type in how much you want to transfer into the main box. Pick the country and the amount you want to send. This is the most important part because the discount code needs to know the total amount to work correctly. By putting in your numbers now, the system can get ready to apply your savings. It is the key step to getting the right output so you can see exactly how much you will save. Look for the specific spot on the screen and start entering the code inside the promo code box. Click the button to apply it and check that the total money you owe has gone down. And that's it. To use a promo code in RIA, you must first click on Send Money at the top of the site. Then, you find a code on CouponFeed for big savings like 15% off or a gift card. Next, you type in how much money you want to send. Finally, you put the code inside the promo code box to lower your total. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.